World Cup final! World Cup final!
I can't wait! Go Blue Eagles! Go Red Tiger! They're coming out! Wow! Look at this stadium!
There are so many people!
I'm excited.
This is our moment, Red Tigers.
Crowd is huge!
Let's show them what we can do.
Both teams line up for the final.
They look strong. So do we.
Good luck, Team Blue.
Good luck, Team Red.
Let's Ducks for Mia. Play fair, have fun.
Heads or tails?
Heads, tails!
Defense, stay sharp! Let's do this, Red Tigers!
I've got the goal covered.
No easy goals today.
Ready?
Let's play!
Here we go. One team, one dream.
Game on!
I've got space!
Lily, here! I'm open! Back to you, Mia! Nice one! Keep moving! Don't let them turn!
Who wants it? Left? Right?
Max, over here! I'm free!
Oops! I'm not on your team.
Sorry.
Nice pass, referee!
Try again.
This time to my team. We're ready! Got it! Watch Ari!
Ethan, go! Passes wide! Wide!
I'm here!
Into the middle! Track Lucas!
Watch the header!
I got it!
Amazing save!
Throw in, Blue Eagles.
Ground in will restart poor play. Throw in, Blue Eagles.
How do I do a throw-in?
Use both hands. Keep your feet down.
Perfect throw-in.
Yeah!
Switch it! Over here!
Stay spread!
Noah, turn! Nice pass. Mia, go!
Mia, go!
I'm on it! Where's the space? Lily, I see it.
Great first touch.
Boom!
Almost.
Oh! Great shot! Great shot!
Nice one, Lily.
Blue Eagles take the lead. 1-0.
Lily is amazing. What a great goal.
That was awesome! We did it together! We did it together! Let's get another!
Okay, watch this. Uh-oh.
And now, super spin. Whoa! I meant to do that.
Sure you did!
Best celebration ever.
Don't give up. We can come back.
Let's fight for every ball.
I nearly saved it.
You're doing great. Keep going.
We'll get one back. Quick passes, okay?
Restart! Please!
Let's go, Ryan.
On it.
Keep the ball moving.
I'm open.
Try this. Blocked it. Noah, go! Counter-attack!
Max stretching the back post, so close.
Half time!
We're playing great. Keep passing. We can score one more. Let's stay calm. I'll protect our lead.
We're only 1 goal behind.
We can do this!
I'll try even harder. You're doing great already.
Lily shot right into the corner! And Oliver's save was crazy!
Second half is going to be amazing.
Blue Eagles lead at the break. Second half coming soon.
Let's finish strong! We're coming back! Yeah!
Hands ready. Eyes on the ball.
Second half. Play!
Your ball, Ryan. Let's attack.
Pass, pass, pass! I'm on the wing!
Here it comes. Gotta reach it.
I stopped it. Oliver, as Oliver makes the save, and the ball was in the 6-yard box. Rebound!
Great teamwork.
Good goal.
Come on, Blue! We keep going!
It's all square at 1-1.
Okay, reset. We go again.
Game starts now. Play!
We can still win this.
Let's do it.
First to every ball! Stay calm, use your passes!
Nice one, Lily.
You too.
I'm going wide! I'm with you.
Got it! Got it! Everyone go up. I'll send it long. Okay, we're ready.
Watch this. Their Bakeless stepping launched the long leg kick.
Is that... for me? Get back, Daniel!
Ooh! Oh no.
Thank you. Thank you. Get back. Get back.
Nice save. Nice save. Daniel Ferre's recovery dive save at the goal. I've got it. Yes!
Really, that was a great save. Thanks. And nice try. I love that respect. Keep it up, both of you. Fairly.
Why Nash as Mia, Noah, and Matt come beautifully before Jack wins the ball with a clean tackle. Nice move.
Not past me this time.
Lucas, run! Sweeper keeper!
Let's speed up our passes.
1 or 2 touches only.
Spread out. Make angles.
Yes! That's it!
Push up together. Don't let them turn.
Got it! Out wide, I'm free! Switch it! Other side! Other side! Other side! Almost!
Thank you, I'll take that.
Not much time left now.
We keep running.
We keep believing.
Next attack. Fast passes, no extra dribbling.
1 or 2 touches only.
I'll time my run.
You're all playing great football. Keep it fair.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay.
You both all right?
Let's keep going.
Yeah, let's play.
1 touch. 1 touch passing triangle between Noah, Sophia, and Mia. Keep it moving.
Yes! That's the speed we want!
Back to you, Lily. Got it. Goal kick.
Wide! Ah! So close!
Switch it! I'm going down the line!
Just a few minutes to find a winner.
1 last push.
Give it everything.
Noah, between the lines! I'm here!
I've got it.
Don't let him turn! Sophia, take it.
Got it.
Come on then! Come on then! Stay with her!
Max, 1-2.
Mia, your shot!
Keep it moving!
1 more pass.
1 touch! 1 touch! Play on! Advantage!
Noah, take it! Got it! Got it!
I've got you now!
Slip pass to Lily! Lily, now!
I'm free!
Not today. Top corner.
What a strike!
Lead 2-1 in the final minute.
We did it!
You superstar!
That was incredible. Okay, safer dance this time.
Don't fall!
Much better, Max.
Told you I meant to do it. Great effort, Daniel. That shot was amazing.
I nearly got it.
Heads up, everyone. We played our hearts out.
We'll keep fighting to the end.
Blue Eagles take the lead, 2-1.
Almost there.
Just defend together now.
We go until the whistle. No giving up. Lily is a legend! Best final ever!
That shot was unstoppable. They all played so well.
Almost time. Play fair until the end.
Stay together, Blue Eagles. 1 last attack if we can.
Next, the final whistle.
1 last push, Tigers.
All the way to the end!
Play! Forward, everyone! Close him down.
Close him down!
Into the box.
Away. Great header.
That might be the last chance.
And that's it.
Full time!
We did it!
World Cup winners!
We gave everything. That was so much fun.
Line up, everyone. Shake hands.
Good game.
You played very well.
See you next time. You deserved it. That last goal was amazing.
Your team was so tough. You made us work.
You had some huge saves. You too. I learned a lot watching you.
Please welcome our World Cup trophy!
Trophy. Captain, go get it!
We did this together.
Congratulations, Blue Eagles!
Thank you. This is for all of us.
Clap for them. They earned it.
Next final, it will be us.
Great game, Red Tigers!
Great champions, Blue Eagles! We're world champions!
Everyone in the picture! Make space for the goalkeeper stars.
3, 2, 1, cheese!
Best final ever.
Thank you, everyone. You made it special.